Jo, to se
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I just welcome you at today's event, which is called EcoShare Workshop. And the aim is, let's say, to familiarize each other and show what our approaches are to the ecosystem or tree eco-benefit calculations and the usage of the data. I want to just give first floor to Mr. Michal, Marek, Director of Czech, who is in charge of this scientific organization and will tell us words first.
Thank you very much. Hello to everybody. You know, it's the one specific role of the Director of the Institute to be invited. It means that always I started the meetings to say some very serious words, very nice that you are here, your meeting must be successful, etc., etc., etc. Of course, I wish you it. You know, I will be very happy to a little bit introduce you our institute because I'm very proud about it that it's my child. And as an old father, if it's possible to say my child is very good, it's a very good opportunity to do it. It means that our institute, Czech Institute of Global Change Research, is really very young institute of Czech Academy of Sciences. We were established nearly 10 years ago on the basis of European Special Structural Funds. It means that the construction of this institute was not asking the money from the academy, not asking the money from the Czech taxpayer, but it was really the European money. And I am very, very happy that the idea of the Czech law is so productive, so like, you know, for your information, when we started, it was only 20 people here. Now we have 400. When we started, we had a very low budget. Now our budget is extremely high. Sometimes I am very, very nervous from this. And what is very important is that we established institute which is composed from 3 different very important parts. The first one is the investigation of atmosphere. It means really the atmospheric climatology. The second one is the investigation of ecosystems. And third one, which is very new, that we have very big section dealing with socio-economical consequences. It means that in this institute, in one table, you can see the physics, ecologists, and economists, for example. And I think that this phase of our institute is really very, very specific and very useful. It means that really it was very clever. It was maybe accident, you know, because always I am telling to my friends, you can see me as very happy old man, because I have the opportunity with my colleagues to establish institute, absolutely according to our idea and maybe experiences, and we receive money for this. And I think that you agree with me that it's really very unique. It means that Czech is a very native institute. At present time, I think that yearly we are producing maybe 130, 140 scientific papers, but it is not so important. I think that at this place, I think that it's very important that we are collaborating with people which are end users, which are making the application of our result. You know, in the academic world, we are playing a little bit different play. We are playing number of papers, number of citation, impact factor, Hirsch index, etc., etc. But it's our play, our audience. Nobody outside of the institute is interested about it. I think that the people are interested when we are using the very clever Kuchar's instruments, and I'm very happy that we are doing it. And it means that in this way I am very happy that Czech law is open for this. It means that especially collaboration with you is very nice for us. Because if we will give you something and you are applying, I am very happy for this. And please, I will be very happy to continue in this way in the future. Because I think that one important role of the science is to really be active in practical life. And I agree with you that the question of trees and greenness in the city started to be a problem. And I am happy that we are included, with collaboration with you, that we are included in this phenomenon. Thus, really seriously, I wish you nice days here. Welcome to the Czech law. Czech Globe is very open for collaboration. I know we've been for a long time. I know Jirka could share 100 years with me. It means that we are very open for this, and I hope that if the time is not very good, you know it, the inflation, the problem with the Ukraine war, everything, I still believe that we will be able to be maintained, we will be able to do our research. It means I wish you a nice day and welcome to Czech Globe. Thank you. As usual, as director, I hope to some others. Okay.